Welcome back. Welcome back to the sweet spot. Beautiful souls, it's Thursday. Not any Thursday. It's Trust Yourself Thursday. And I'm your host here on the sweet spot, Derek Sweet, Dr. Derek Sweet. I'm a board-certified psychiatrist who specializes in high performance. And more than that, you know I love working and aligning myself with individuals who are seeking to be the best versions of themselves. We are all on this journey together, and it is my privilege to share some insights with you today on Trust Yourself Thursday. The theme is Bet on You. Just bet on you. Look, and if we're going to be real with each other, one of the biggest reasons we don't move forward in life is because we second guess what we already know. We overthink. We defer. We let somebody else make the decision for us. We secretly play small. We look for answers outside ourselves, even when the truth is already sitting in our gut, staring us in the face. But here's what I want you to remember. You're carrying more wisdom in you than you even realize. And you don't have to be perfect to be powerful. That's something that I've been wrestling with, and I used to always think I had to be so perfect, I had to have everything right, be just lined up correctly. But the insights I've gotten from years of working in counseling and psychology is that you do not have to be perfect to be powerful. And the ancient wisdom backs me up on this. You know, I've been doing ancient wisdom with you all week, and it's been amazing. I've given up some of the neuroscience and all of that, and we're just kind of letting ancient wisdom lead us this week. And it's been working. On Trust Yourself Thursday, what better quote than from 1 John? Greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. Wow. Greater is that which is inside of us. Greater is this entity that is inside of our very being than anything in this world. Let that hit. Let that sink in. How many times have we read this or heard this? But has it really sunk in? How amazing we are? That we have this great power in us? And it's bigger than anything in the world? Really? Wow. Okay then. There's something in you, my friends. God's Spirit. That wisdom, that courage, that clarity that's bigger than anything outside. Bigger than any pressure you're facing. Bigger than anybody else's opinion. Bigger than the problem. Bigger than the issue, the illness, the legal issue, the challenge that you're facing. It's good to know that. And it's a wonderful thing to start trust from this place. And that's why I love the ancient wisdom. Hey, nobody else is telling me this. So I'm really glad that I'm reading it somewhere and I'm getting it from the ancients. Greater is that which is in me than anything in the world. This verse is your license to stop outsourcing your confidence. You already have what you need inside. So stop it. Stop giving away your power. Start trusting in you. And I tell myself this in the mirror from time to time, okay? In mindfulness, they say it a different way. They say you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserves to be loved and to feel affection. This one hits differently when you're hard on yourself. And we can be very hard on ourselves. Right? We are very self-critical, and that's why I like this mindfulness quote. You yourself, as much as anybody in the universe, deserve your love and your affection. Absolutely. Don't be down on yourself because it hasn't worked out. Don't be so down on yourself because you made a mistake. You're human. That's what happens. We make mistakes. Remember the old quote we used to talk about, that Japanese proverb, fall down 7, get up 8? It's biblical too. The idea is, how can you trust someone you're constantly criticizing? Especially if that person is you. And you don't have to be perfect. That's a joke, this idea of perfection. I know our society creates these perfect images of what should be. I know on Instagram and Facebook, everything looks perfect. But that's not reality. If you want to move through the world with strength, it starts with being gentle towards yourself and giving up judgment, self-judgment. You are worthy of love, you're worthy of patience, you're worthy of grace. And you've got to believe in you. Because in you is the great thing. In you is God. So, Benjamin Spock put it this way: trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. Anywhere you look and trust, you find these messages. Sometimes we don't need new advice. We need to trust our own voice. We need to trust that still voice within. You've been through enough to know more than you realize. Your intuition is trained more than you know. Your gut has more intelligence than you're giving it credit for. Give yourself permission to lean into your quiet confidence this Trust Yourself Thursday. What would shift if you acted like you already knew that you were all that because you had the Holy Spirit in you, you had the greater power in you, you just had it like that? What if today you stopped asking for 10 opinions and just backed up your own opinion and go with what you thought? What if you stopped apologizing for your instincts of how you look or how you feel or what you think, and you honored yourself instead? You don't have to be loud to be clear. You just have to listen to the part of you that already knows and begin trusting that part. And today is Trust Yourself Thursday. It's a great day to start trusting yourself. So here's your Trust Yourself Thursday challenge. Take one step today based on your inner wisdom. Take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath right now. And when you let it out, trust. No outside validation, no second guessing, no wondering about what if. Just trust. Just one choice that says, I believe the one in me. And I believe in me. This is The Sweet Spot, and I'm Dr. Derek Sweet. You've got this. I believe in you. I know you can do it. I trust you. I'm on the journey with you. And you know what? I'll see you tomorrow for Finish Strong Friday. Do you get that? Finish Strong Friday. All right, now, let me know how it went for you today. Let me know in the comments what trust factor you put into play today. And if this worked for you, I'd love for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done that already. But more than that, share it with a friend. Share it with a friend who could use a word about trust.